This is a video about how to do a one-way analysis of variance using Excel output. In our story, what we have is we have a car dealership with 3 salespeople, Ira, Jim, and Kelly, and what each of the data points represents is the average percent of price markup they've earned on each of the car sales. And for these people, the percent markup is, for example, on our first data point here, oops, it went small, claiming that Ira was able to get a 23.2% markup on a car that they sold. So we have 3 different individuals, so to do our null, we're going to test whether the average markup is the same for all 3 salespeople. Next, what we'll do is we recognize that we need to use an F distribution because it is a one-way analysis of variance. I'm going to write here, test the claim, 3 salespeople have same average. Next, we need a test statistic, and to find our F test, we need mean square between over mean square within. Mean square between comes from SSB over K minus 1, and mean square within comes from SSW over N minus K. So taking a look here from our output, we have mean square between already. So the numerator is 203.265. As far as the denominator, we only have sum square between, and we have N minus K. This is N minus K, this is MSB, and this is MSW. So I need for my denominator 2399.087 divided by 20, which was N minus K. And so my F test will become 1.695. If you want it separately, the MSW turned out to be 119.95. So what we do next is we find our F critical. We see that that is here already. I used for 5% level of significance. And so drawing the rejection region, what we have is a 5% rejection region with 3.49. Notice our numerator degrees of freedom was 2, and our denominator degrees of freedom was 20, in case we needed to use the F table, but it is there on the output. And since we have a F statistic for our test statistic of 1.695, then what we have for a conclusion is do not reject the null at 5% level of significance. Which then means that we cannot show that the 3 salespeople, or cannot show at least one of the 3 salespeople has a different profit margin.